Hello, my name is John Berninger and I'm with Hitachi Vantara Office of Unified Offering Management. So what we're demonstrating here at NEXT 2018 is something called Manufacturing Insight Solution. It's an IIoT solution geared towards providing insights to manufacturers from sensors and equipment on their factory floor, doing advanced analytics, and allowing them to optimize their operations, minimize downtime, and optimize quality. So what we've built here is a set of dashboards and an ingestion mechanism for pulling data from PLCs, pulling data from sensor networks into the system and doing analytics on it. So in this case, what we're showing an assembly line that's based on a real assembly line that we contracted with the University of New Hampshire to set up this line to build this piece. So this assembly line involves 2 robots, 2 milling machines, a turning center, and a quality inspection station. And in this video you see different images of different stages in that manufacturing process of that piece. So what we did is, while that piece was being manufactured, we ingested through our edge mechanism into our data store and did the analytics to provide things like what's shown in here is OEE, operational equipment effectiveness. So we look at availability, performance, quality. We can look at orders fulfilled per week or per day. We can look at cycle time for various stations on that line and identify hot spots where things are going longer than they should and where they can optimize their scheduling and their process. If we click on one particular machine, so I'm going to click on the milling machine. So this is the same machine that's doing the milling of this piece in this video here. So what we have here is we can see the OEE down to the level of that machine. We can see asset KPIs in near real time. These KPIs are being updated on a 15-second interval. So we see things like spindle speed, spindle current, coolant temperature, and feed rate of the material in the device. Over here we have a Pareto analysis, and we have these widgets that can do Pareto analysis on a number of different things. In this case, we're looking at the anomaly index. So we do anomaly detection on the sensor data underneath this and identifying the sensors that are contributing the most to that machine anomaly. So in this case, spindle current is something that they need to really look at. Here we have a KPI trending chart where we look at upper and lower control limits on a number of parameters. In this parameter, this is the anomaly index, and we see 3 spikes over the last 12 hours, and those are actual anomalies. Now, the way our algorithm calculates those is it looks at the different sensors and identifies the combination of sensors leads to behavior problems in that thing, and these are the points where they might need to do maintenance. So looking at the other KPIs, we've got spindle speed, spindle current, coolant temperature, and feed rate. And you can look at it at various hours resolution. So let's look at it at 2-hour resolution. So what's going on here is you see the spindle current going up, generally correlated to the spindle speed on this mill. And the spindle speed and current go up when there's a bigger tool or more pressure needs to be applied, so it requires more current. So the last thing I want to show is, so we've got the ability to do threshold crossing detection. So if one of the KPIs, in this case temperature, exceeds the upper limit, then it will generate an alert to let somebody know that something needs to be done about that, or there needs to be some troubleshooting done. So if we click on that, we see alert details, sensor readings, and we have some actions. We can assign that to a maintenance person. We can resolve it when it's closed, or we can deprioritize it and move it to the bottom of the stack for maintenance personnel. So that is a quick high-level summary of Manufacturing Insight Solutions. Thanks for the time.